Recently we've made some changes in the management account reporting section and enhanced the page for better user experience. Let's go into the reports section where you'll see updated management account reports. The report offers to view data yearly, quarterly or monthly. Starting with the balance sheet tab, you'll see a complete detailed balance sheet here. Next we move to the profit and loss report. Accountants can add comments directly in the interface and save them for later reference, as you can see down here. We also have a data summary section which includes KPI reports, key performance indicator reports like current ratio, profit margin, return on assets. All companies require these, so they can be included or excluded as needed. For better understanding, there's an eye icon just here. Clicking it reveals the formulas used for the calculations. We've included year-to-date figures, current and previous year comparisons, and percentage changes. There's an aged creditors summary and there's an aged debtors summary. Once all tabs are viewed, the report can be exported in either PDF or Word format. We click on the PDF format here. You can open the report and then it will have all the information provided here. In Word format, users can make manual edits if needed before converting it back to PDF. The management report can be seen here, and you can make changes to it as needed. And that's what we've included in the new management report.